So it's time to change the needle. So this is where I'm going to use this handy dandy little screwdriver again and just place it in the black screw on the right hand side, and I'm turning it to the left, and I'm just going to kind of hold on to that so that it doesn't fall down into my machine. And you can see that I have easily taken this out. Now it's important to note that as I get ready to place the needle back in, that the rounded side is towards the front and the flat side of the needle is towards the back. Go ahead and place that up into the little hole there, and I want to make sure that I have it all the way to the very tip top before I go back and tighten the screw. I'm going to do that to the right just with my fingertips, but then I'll go back and give one more little twist with my screwdriver here just to make sure it's nice and tight. And there you go. That's how easy it is to change the needle.